In the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, two titans have emerged, capturing the imagination of millions: Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT. They represent the pinnacle of large language models, but which one truly stands at the summit? Today, we embark on an in-depth side-by-side comparison to uncover the truth. This is Gemini versus ChatGPT. Let's begin with the core of their power: language understanding and generation. We'll start with a simple creative writing prompt. Write a short poem about a city of glass at sunrise. On the left, Gemini crafts a piece rich in visual metaphor, describing crystalline spires and light fracturing through 1,000 mirrored souls. On the right, ChatGPT offers a more narrative-driven verse, focusing on the waking of a silent, fragile world. Both are impressive, but Gemini's imagery feels more vivid, more poetic. ChatGPT's is structured and coherent, a solid and reliable response. Now let's test their reasoning and problem-solving abilities. We'll give them a complex logic puzzle involving 5 people, their professions, and their favorite colors. As the text populates the screens, watch how they break down the problem. Gemini approaches it with a step-by-step deduction, clearly listing out the possibilities and eliminating them based on the clues. ChatGPT also solves it correctly, but presents the information in a more consolidated, paragraph-style answer. For clarity in complex problem-solving, Gemini's structured output seems to have a slight edge, making it easier to follow its train of thought. But modern AI isn't just about text. Multimodality, the ability to understand and process different types of information, like images and audio, is the next frontier. Here's where Gemini, particularly its Pro and Ultra versions, was designed to shine. We'll feed both models an image of a half-eaten apple on a desk next to an open book. We ask, what might be happening in this scene, and what could the person do next? ChatGPT accurately identifies the objects and suggests someone is taking a study break. A very logical deduction. Gemini, however, goes a step further. It not only describes the scene but infers a potential story, suggesting the book might be a classic, and the apple a nod to Newton, then proposes the person might be contemplating a new idea. It's a leap of creative inference that showcases its native multimodal design. Let's turn to code generation, a critical use case for developers and hobbyists alike. We'll ask both to write a Python script for a simple weather app using a public API. Both models produce functional, clean code almost instantly. ChatGPT's code is straightforward and well commented, perfect for a beginner. Gemini's version is perhaps a touch more concise, using slightly more advanced Pythonic expressions. It's a close race, but for developers looking for efficiency, Gemini's output might require less refactoring. So where does this leave us? ChatGPT, the model that brought generative AI into the mainstream, remains a formidable and incredibly versatile tool. Its strength lies in its conversational flow, reliability, and the sheer size of its user base, which has helped refine it over time. It's the dependable workhorse, excellent for a vast range of tasks from drafting emails to brainstorming ideas. Google's Gemini, however, feels like the next evolutionary step. Built from the ground up to be multimodal, it demonstrates a deeper, more nuanced understanding when dealing with combined text and visual prompts. Its reasoning capabilities often feel more transparent, and its creative outputs can exhibit a spark of genuine ingenuity. The integration with Google's vast ecosystem, from search to workspace, also gives it a powerful, built-in advantage. In the end, the better AI depends entirely on your needs. For reliable, high-quality text generation and a polished user experience, ChatGPT is still a top contender. But for those pushing the boundaries of creativity, engaging in complex problem-solving, or exploring the future of multimodal interaction, Gemini presents a compelling and perhaps more powerful vision of what's to come. The race is far from over. In fact, it's just getting started. Which one will you choose to build the future with? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of technology.